Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is 5 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x. This is equal to 369. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. Now we have 5 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x. This is equal to 369. We can express 5 to the power of x. This is the same thing as 5 to the power of x raised to the power of 1, then minus 4 to the power of x raised to the power of 1. This is equal to 369. Now, the next step is that we can express 1. This is the same thing as 2 over 2. Substituting this, then we have 5 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 over 2, then minus 4 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 over 2. This is equal to 369. The next step is that this is actually in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n times m. Applying this identity, then we have 5 to the power of x over 2 raised to the power of 2, then subtract 4 to the power of x over 2 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 369. Now the next step from here, we can let 5 raised to the power of x over 2 be equal to a, and we can let 4 to the power of x over 2 be equal to b. Let's substitute a and b into this equation here. So this is the same thing as a squared minus b squared. This is equal to 369. We have that a squared minus b squared. This is the difference of two perfect squares that we can express as a plus b multiplied by a minus b, and this is equal to 369. Now we can express 369. This is the same thing as 41 multiplied by 9. So we have that a plus b multiplied by a subtract b. This is equal to 41 multiplied by 9. So therefore, we have that a plus b. This is equal to 41. And we have that a subtract b. This is equal to 9. So these are systems of two. These are system of two linear equations A. So let's sum these two system of linear equations A. We have a plus a. This is 2a. Then b plus minus b. This is equal to 0. Then this is equal to 41 plus 9. And this is equal to, this is 50. So let's divide both sides by 2. So that now a is equal to 50 divided by 2, and this is 25. So we have the value of a equal to 25. So let's solve for the value of b. We have that a plus b, this is equal to 41. So this implies that here we have 25 plus b, this is equal to 41. So let's take 25 on the right hand side, so that now b is equal to 41 minus 25. So we have that b is equal to 41 minus 25, and this is equal to 16. So we have the value of a equal to 25 and the value of b equal to 16. Now, if you recall, we insist that we let 5 to the power of x over 2 be equal to a, and we let 4 to the power of x over 2, b equal to b. So this implies that we have 5 to the power of x over 2. This is equal to a, which is 25. And we have 4 to the power of x over 2. This is equal to b, which is 16. Now from here we have 5 to the power of x over 2. This is equal to 25, which is 5 to the power of 2. Now we have that the bases are common here. That means that a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m. Since the bases are common here, then exponent n is equal to m. Now applying this property, then we have that x over 2, this is equal to 2. So let's multiply both sides by 2, so that now the value of x here is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. We have the value of x equal to 4. Now let's confirm with the other side here. So we have 4 to the power of x over 2. This is equal to 16. 16 is the same thing as 4 to the power of 2. So here we have that since the bases are common here, exponent x over 2, this is equal to 2. Again, let's multiply both sides by 2. And this implies that x is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. So we have the value of x equal to 4. Now, the next step from here, let's verify or let's check if this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's check from here. Now, we have that 5 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x. This is supposed to give us a value of 369. So let's substitute the value of x. This is 5 to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 369. So 5 to the power of 4, this is 625. Subtract 4 to the power of 4. This is the same thing as 256. This should give us a value of 369. So we have 625 minus 256. So this is 15 minus 6, this is 9. Here we have 11 minus 5, this is 6. And then here we have 5 minus 2, this is 3. So we have that 369 on the left hand side is equal to 369 on the right hand side. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this affirms that the value of x here is equal to 4. And this satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.